For I hear the voice, you must know a chap boss. Chop City Entertainment represent for Dancehall Skilla.
Wow, my people, but they are getting big up, respect and the manners to each and everyone. Big up, you see. Alright, my people. Enough people are trying to survive. And I know that for a fact. So when I see certain videos on social media, sometimes I don't even know what to think. Yes, I ask my people, and I soon explain to you why I said certain things after I present a video to you. Because right about now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when law enforcers from within the country of Jamaica took away something that some people within the country of Jamaica call handcat, along with other things away from a person. You can also see a knife in the video, viewers and subscribers. And based on some things that you're about to see and hear in this video, you can also let me know what you think. Yes, I say? Anyways, here's the video. Look, listen, and observe for yourself. Go on this little people. Watch it. See that? Knife that. John. And see what some people call handcat. Rough, you know? Rough out there. You're rough out there. Now, I don't know exactly why that happened, viewers and subscribers. You understand? But it's rough, you know? It's just rough, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, me know that enough people are, I should say many people are just trying to survive. And to see certain things in some videos just make me think away my people. You understand? Because look, law and order must be maintained. I respect the rules and the laws of my country. You understand me? Yeah, but at the same time, many people are trying to survive. So it's like a 6 or 1/2 dozen of the other situation, viewers and subscribers. So I say, yeah, so that's why I say certain things that I said in the first part of the video, viewers and subscribers, because some people just are trying to survive. So I say, yeah, but at the same time, law and order must maintain. So it just makes me feel that way. Anyways, for another topic now. Now here I'm going to present another video to you, my viewers and subscribers, and I want you to listen carefully to some things that a person said in this video. Based on some things that the person said, I got the understanding that the person complained about how police officers behaved at a police station. Why? Listen to the video for yourself and observe and tell me what you think. And you can also tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said as well. Observe.
Police station, when them 100-man police station, one of the worst police station this will ever come, brother. May I tell you, the whole of them in there have problems, brother. When you go there, them deal with you like you're some madman on the road, brother. Like say you're a problem. Yeah, man, when you go there, it's like you bother them. Be attitude, especially the female them. Them need to get rid of them, brother. We cannot pay with tax money and I will come on station to make one request where I get be attitude and be a style. And this not make no sense. Them police, them need to keep them problems and them yard. The government need to put a system in a place where every 6 months them get an evaluation mentally to check them up if them alright, because them not alright, brother. Them come and them get attitude, and when they give them attitude and talk your mind, them want charge you. That make no sense, brother. Jamaica need to wake up. Yeah? If I so be the case, get rid of the police and work with soldier, because soldier easier for deal with, brother. I mean, not get me wrong, you know. some nice police out there, but they say most of them, like 85% of the police, them are crosses. 85% of them, I don't know if them workload or them stress or what, but you know, for know how to deal with people, brother. You can't get up and come and work every day. People come with them problem. It is a police station. When they get whole heap of different kind of people at that time. Deal with people good. I don't know who or who. I bet you if me pull up in one pride in a tuxedo, I don't know, say, yo, I don't know, say one politician that will not give me a big smile and like everything is alright. But you me come in as a regular man now, I make a one request, you know, yo, more like that, yo, that's why most people don't go to police station for certain things, yeah. Cause police, only if you do a better job. Good police out there, me a police friend, I tell them a nice person. And up on the road, me meet most of my police friend them. So you see some of them when they're in a station across is them. Police where they are road easier to deal with than the one them in a station. Yeah? Them need to wake up. Them need to deal people better.
Jano, my people, it's rough to hear certain things that the person saying in the video. You know, sometimes when me hear some people say some things about the police in certain videos when they see before, it makes me wonder if I saw some people think about my family and friends who are police officers in Jamaica. You see me, I say, and you know, it's not the first time me hear some people say, you know, easier to deal with soldier than to deal with police. And the first time me hear someone say certain things, you see me, I say, yeah, but you know, it really and truly rough, you see me? And you know, I think that, you know, there needs to be some way where the public can feel more comfortable when they go to the police. You see me? Because me I hear too much of them kind of complain. You know what I mean? My people, please bear in mind that you have good and you have bad in everything, every situation, and also within persons. You have good civilian, good police, bad police, good soldier, bad soldier, you name it. You understand? Yeah, and I'm a law-abiding citizen. I respect the rules and the laws of my country, but at the same time, sometimes certain things just not seems right because everybody, we are all human beings, all right? But my people, tell me what you think about the things that the person said. You can tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that the person said. All right, my people, now, more listen to me carefully because for some time now, I follow this whole story right here, so see? Yeah, and everything that I'm about to say to you are based on news articles that I read, viewers and subscribers. So I read more than one news articles about a man who is said to be the world's dirtiest man. See? Now, based on those news articles that I read, allegedly, and I want to say this strongly, allegedly, it is said that the man did not have a shower and or did not use soap and water to have a bath for over 60 years. Now, I read more than one news articles that gave me the understanding that the man who is said to be the world's dirtiest man died at the age of 94 months after taking a bath or using soap and water to clean himself. It is alleged that the man did not do anything like that for decades, viewers and subscribers. At least one news article that I read said that the world's dirtiest man dies in Iran at 94, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, Iran. Yeah, my people, so me ask my people, so this look away, don't it? Because if everything that I've been said in those articles are accurate, viewers and subscribers, I mean, it look away in my point of view to know that someone was okay living to a certain amount of age and then months after the person had a shower, something like this happened. It just look away. You see what I say? Yeah, sometimes it just set away because look at it now. A person might be living a certain type of life and then, you know, the person might seems comfortable. You notice me say seems comfortable living a certain type of way, but at the same time, the way all the person live might not be clean. And it might be dangerous to the person's health, you see? But at the same time, you try to fix it, it might, you know, it's sometimes I think the mind is so powerful, it affects other things around you. Yeah, so for some time now, may I follow this story about this man who's said to be the world's dirtiest man. And on our real viewers and subscribers, some of the things when we read about this whole situation, me still kinda, you know, kinda half and half when it comes on to the believing. But As our news article say, as some I let you know, is it? But anyways, let me know what you think about this whole situation. And yes, I left it to my people. Big up and respect to each and everyone. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.